Hello my friends, everything I'm going to share here has been verified by the mechanics at the shop. So relax, have a cup of tea and listen to what I have to say. Let's say you're driving your car and that message pops up on the dashboard. The first thing you usually think is, did something break? Please, do not worry, this is certainly not a technical malfunction. What this actually means is that the lane keeping system will only provide an alert, but it will not move the steering wheel for you. The mechanics at this shop are explaining to me right now that this happens because the system has 3 modes, which we're looking at here on the screen. When your car is in warning mode, it only alerts you with lights or vibrations in the steering wheel, but it doesn't physically intervene in the steering. This feature effectively prevents the system from taking control on sharp curves or faded lane markings, which helps in avoiding those sudden jarring steering corrections. But please stay tuned. Our mechanics have noticed that the warning mode does not always remain fully active as it should. Even if you choose to select it, many cars from this particular brand will automatically revert back to the assist mode whenever you turn the vehicle off and then back on again. This might be a bit annoying if you only want alerts without active assistance. That's why many drivers end up checking the menu every time they start the car to make sure it's in the right mode. Another detail the mechanics pointed out to me when I interviewed them is that the system's behavior depends a lot on road conditions and the driving environment. In cases where the lane markings are faded or the road features sharp curves, some of these cars will automatically switch to alert mode to avoid straining the steering system. It is as if the car is saying, I had better warn you before I take control and risk making a mistake. I truly hope that you have found this information to be helpful. Please let me know what you think of it and whether or not it actually worked for you, because I'll be reading through it anyway, and I might just be able to help.